Pakistani experts have said that as the China-Pakistan economic corridor further advances, it can play an important role in the country's effort to mitigate climate change impacts. During a two-day event, Green China-Pakistan Economic Corridor Alliance, and a workshop to mobilize renewable energy investments for sustainable development held in Islamabad, experts and officials discussed the CPEC and green development in Pakistan.
The global community is on the environmental sustainability. That while we are talking about the infrastructure development, we must also ensure that we are meeting the standards of environmental sustainability. So we see that China is leading a transition in clean energy. The concept of Chinese eco-civilization is one of the major driver of this transition that could majorly brought into CPEC. And if the CPEC can go green, it can bring an enormous positive showcase for the other BRI countries as well.
I think it's a step towards the right direction, and the projects that is being implemented in Pakistan under the CPEC framework, especially the wind projects, they are playing a very vital role. We need to look into the possibility of establishing the eco-industrial parks, which is of course based on the concept that the shared resources, shared utilities will actually help those industries to grow.